My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and about 48 years old, I learned that my brain was being underutilized. I found out that I was allowing circumstances to alter my moods. I didn't realize that you can actually have a situation happen to you and you can actually attach a high vibe emotion to it so that when it was stored in your subconscious, that it doesn't negatively impact you. I just always thought if something bad is happening to you, you feel bad. I didn't realize the emotion that I was attaching to it was what was causing me to feel bad. And so I was taught a 3-step thought process to go in and address my subconscious for anything in the past, anything current, and even things in the future that I knew were coming that I thought was something that I was not so happy about. By learning this 3-step thought process, you're going to learn how to be, as I call it, the master of your brain instead of your brain telling you what you're going to do. You're going to be the one telling your brain how to react with situations, and you get to decide that. So if you're interested in that, then go ahead and sign up on my channel at DIYmentalboost.com. You can look at all of my free videos and just start to learn the process. All you got to do is, if it says follow along video, click it. It doesn't make a difference which one it is. I say do all of them because it's about training your brain how to look at situations so that they're not stored negatively in your subconscious. If you want a little bit of more depth and understand how it works, and maybe even more boosting opportunities to really make sure you're getting to the nitty-gritty of whatever it is inside you that is causing you to react in certain ways, then you may want to join my monthly subscription of $12.99. Yes, you heard me say $12.99. It is just $12.99. If you want to do that, you can join that and be in touch with me. Come to my live group Zoom session so that I can answer all of your questions. Now, right now I'm running a special. So if you want, you can join for $6.99 by clicking on the link that is connected to this video. So as long as you have this link connected to this video, you can get it for $6.99. You're going to learn how to do this for your brain in under a year. We're not talking about years of trying to train your brain. You can actually get your brain to do this for you by this year. If that interests you, please join me. It'll be me, you, and some mind cardio, and I will show you how to easily, through step-by-step guidance, help your brain to be fed and cultivated in the right way so that it maintains your inner peace 24/7.